We're gonna start. I just have a bit of a presentation until the guys from outside get in, and then we'll have some workshops first. Thank you for coming. Welcome, everyone. It's gonna be the 7th edition of our event, mainly related to Kamailio, but we have also other projects well known from the VoIP space represented here. Matt Fredriksson from Asterix, the lead developer of the Asterix project, is here. We have someone also from Free Switch Signal Wire this time on with a presentation. And of course, before giving further details, I really like to thank to our sponsors. We had good support this year, many returning, our friends from Sipgate, Sipwise. We have Wazo this time supporting, and you get also nice swags from Nexmo back there, some t-shirts, some camera blinders, and cable adapters. EvoSip, which I'll give a bit more details about the survey they ran very soon. We have in the expo area for demos the guys from Polycom, or they rebranded in Poly, via also the former Obi High representation here. Peyron, the new home from Asterix Sangoma. They are also here represented by 3 persons. Demos also will be from Baronet, LOD, our big friend Fred. Some giveaways will be from Snom this year. A couple of phones will run some raffle here. The amazing video team here, Pascom, always doing a great job and recording live streaming. So we are really happy to have them here. Alex, Evariste System, probably most of you know him, and our IMS oriented guys from NG Voice, Karsten and Rick, I see already are here. Simon, I haven't seen it from Simut, probably will arrive shortly from UK. He will also have some giveaways around, and we'll have a presentation and some demos. The amazing location here, the wonderful location here, it's offered by Fraunhofer Focus, the institute where everything started together with Fraunhofer Forum. So Focus Institute, which is the research one, has the building in Charlottenburg, somewhere in between here and the Tegel Airport. And we are here at the Fraunhofer Forum. And we are also glad that we could appear for some partner events with ClueCon and KazuCon. Probably you know ClueCon, the Free Switch conference, and Kazoo. We also have a module name in Kamailio Kazoo. The friends at 2600 Hertz project, they run also their own events in the US. So I'm just giving information here, and then I'll pass to Henning, the next speaker. I will have a session by the end of the day. New, and thanks to Sipgate, we'll have this evening a boat trip. It's not far from here, so as we are on the side of the river, you just need to get out and then left maybe 100 meters, 150 meters. It's just closer to the bridge. It's the DDR Museum there, and we'll board there. The name of the boat, it's Maria, the boat company, it's Berlin Wasser Taxi. Have the badge with you because we'll have to check it there. The weather is not that warm, but as I could see, should be at least not raining. So have eventually a coat with you. Should be some cover, but if you want to smoke or if it gets too crowded inside, we might need to get a bit outside from time to time. It's gonna take like 2 hours, so try to be there by 7 p.m. because they might just leave by 7:15, so then you might have to swim or jump from a bridge there. There will be drinks served, and as we couldn't cater for such large number of persons to fit in the boat, there are some bites of currywurst and vegetarian bullet. So these are specific for Berlin, but if you feel like a big hungry, there is like 1 hour break between the end of the session and the boat trip. So there are some bits to it also here till that moment. Just that is not a full dinner. It's trying to make a tour of the Berlin city center, the historical part, and enjoy with music and drinks. That's the main goal or the arrangement. And again, thanks to Sipgate organizing everything related to this trip. There will be a bit later here, but you probably know Marcus, Sebastian, Jonas from Sipgate. Already mentioned from our friends from Italy, EvoSip, they run a survey. Here you have this link. There is also news on KamailioWorld.com website. They want your feedback about some billing platform with this distributed architecture using blockchain, and you have the chance to win a Kindle and eventually some other goodies from the company. So it's Paolo and Alexander here, and should be like 4 or 5 guys from EvoSip if you need more information about this. Today, as I said, we're gonna start soon with some workshops as well as presentations. Then we'll still have a coffee break at 15, and we try to finish lately by 6, but should be earlier. Everything happens here. This is the main room for the events, and outside will be the demo tables and food, drinks. So it's very compact. Who is new here? You should feel very comfortable. If you need bathrooms, there is one just around info desk here in the big hall or here in the back, but if it's a session, maybe it's better to go outside. There are some signs there. So the names will be Spectrum here whenever you see it written. Atom is this big hall, and Dome is where the food is going to be located. Tomorrow will be proper lunch with vegetarian options and cooked food. Today some sandwiches and drinks for the break. Live stream from Pascom. This is the link. If you want to, I also tweeted already on the Kamailio World Twitter account, but if you want to propagate it to some of your colleagues or friends, this is the link. With this one, I don't want to keep it longer, so I'm calling here Henning, and until he gets set up, I'm gonna introduce him. Sorry,